Now let's understand control statement or control flow statement in Python. Control flow statement is a statement that controls the order of execution of the program based on some conditions. So basically, it decides the flow of execution of set of instruction in the program. For example, if else, for, while, etc. Now, there are three types of control flow statements. First one is sequential, second one is selection, and third one is iterative or loop. In sequential, instructions are executed in the order in which they are written. In selection, instructions are executed selectively. And the examples of selection control flow statements are if else, and elif. And in iterative control flow statements, instructions are executed repeatedly. And the examples of iterative control flow statements are for loop and while loop. Now let's understand the selection and iterative control flow statements. So first we will see the if statement. The syntax of if statement is if, then condition, then colon. Following statement 1, statement 2, it can be up to statement n. So here the condition will be either true or false. So statement 1, 2 up to n, all these statements will be executed only if the condition will be true. And if the condition will be false, then these statements will not be executed. Now let's understand it through a program. Suppose I have taken a variable x and assigned value 30 and another variable y assigned 25. Write the if statement if x is greater than y, then colon. Then write a print statement in if clause, that is print x is greater than y. So here we can see that the value of x is greater than value of y. So x greater than y, this condition is true. That's why this print statement will be executed and we will get the output like x is greater than y. Now let's understand if else statement. So the syntax of if else statement is if, then condition, then colon. Following statements A. It can have one statement or more than one statement. Then else, colon, and following statements B. It can also have one statement or more than one statement. Now here statements A will be executed if the condition will be true. So if the condition will be false, then the statements in else clause will be executed and statements B will be executed. Now let's understand it through a program. Suppose I have a variable x and assign value 20 and another variable y and assign 50. So write if else statement. First write if, then condition x is greater than y, then colon. Following a print statement, print x is greater than y. So here we can see that the value of x is not greater than y. That means x greater than y condition is false. That's why the print statement following if will not be executed and the statement following else will be executed. That's why we'll get the output x is not greater than y. Now let's understand elif statement in Python. And the syntax of elif statement is if condition A, then colon, following statements A, then elif and condition B, then colon, following statements B. So here statements A will be executed only if the condition A will be true. If the condition A will be false, then control will move to elif part and statements B will be executed only if the condition B will be true. Now let's understand it through a program. Suppose I have a variable x and assign value 25 and another variable y and assign the same value 25. So write the if condition if x greater than y, then colon. So here as we can see, x greater than y, this condition is not true, that is false. That's why this statement x greater than y will not be executed, and the control will move into elif part and it will check the condition x is equal to y or not. So here we can see that the value of x is equal to the value of y. That means this condition is true. That's why the statement print x and y are equal will be executed and we'll get the output x and y are equal. So that's it. Now we'll try all these programs on Google Colab Editor. Now this is our Google Colab Editor. So first rename this file as if else elif. That's it. So first take a text cell to make a heading. Right here if statement, click here, then you will get the heading if statement. Now take a code cell and start writing program for if statement. So first take a variable x and assign value 30 and another variable y and assign value 25. Now write the if statement if x greater than y, then colon, then press enter and write the print statement x is greater than y. You can observe here that print statement is written after some space. That means this print statement is inside the if clause. So now let's run this. And we got the output x is greater than y because the condition x greater than y is true. That's why this statement executed and we got the output x is greater than y. Take another statement here but outside if. That means it will be parallel to if statement and write here print So you can observe that this statement is parallel to if. That means this statement is outside the if. So let's run this and we'll get the output as x is greater than y, as well as the statement executed statement outside if. Now take another text cell and make a heading if else statement. So click here and double click here. Take a code cell and start writing statement for if else statement. Now first take a variable x and assign value 20 and another variable y and assign value 50. Then write the if condition if x greater than y, then colon, and the statement print inside double quote x is greater than y, and take the else part but parallel to if. Write else then colon, and the statement print x is not greater than y. So here you can see that the if condition is not true. That's why this statement will not be executed. So the statement in else part will be executed and will get the output as x is not greater than y. Let's run this and we got the output x is not greater than y. Now scroll down and take a new text cell. Write elif statement. Click here, then double click here. So we got the heading elif statement. Now take a new code cell and write program for elif. First take a variable x and assign value 25 and another variable y and assign the same value 25. Now write if statement if x greater than y, then colon, and a print statement, that is x is greater than y, and take the elif part but parallel to if. Elif then condition x equal y, then colon, and print the statement print x is equal to y. So now here we can see that x greater than y, this condition is false. That's why this statement will not be executed, and the control move into here and the condition will be checked whether x is equal to y or not. As you can see, the value of x is equal to the value of y. That's why this statement will be executed. So now let's run this and we'll get the output as x is equal to y. So we tried if statement, if else statement, and elif statement. So that's it for today. See you in next lecture. Till then, enjoy Python programming.